Hello everyone. Today I am going to conduct the lecture on the basics of vectors, numerical, on the subject of electromagnetic field. Here the Professor Sumerali. So I am going to take a numerical on the vectors. So you just check this video.
Professor Sumerali going to conduct the lecture on electromagnetic field theory of a third year subject. Okay, already we have solved the one numerical on the basis of the basics of vector. Now today I am going to take a lecture on the second numerical. What is that second numerical? Just all of you read once. If a vector A is equals to ax plus 2ay plus 3az, first up, find its magnitude and direction. In the last lecture, what we have observed? In the last lecture, we have observed the points were given. The vector was A and the points were given. That is a 2, 3 or 1, whatever. But if you go through this numerical, here the equation is mentioned. A is your vector and the equation is mentioned. What is that equation? The A is equals to ax plus 2ay plus 3az. And what is asking in the numerical? Two parameters are asking in the numerical. A part, first, that is nothing but find out the magnitude. And B part, second, that is nothing but the direction. Go with the first one. Now we will start the new solution. What is that? If A is my vector and the equation is ax, 2ay and 3ay, just compare this A vector with our standard equation. That is nothing but what is the standard? First is the magnitude, second is the direction, then the magnitude, then the direction, and the magnitude, and then the direction. How we can calculate the magnitude of that particular vector? So, if I am saying that A is a vector, so magnitude will be the root of, the magnitude will be root of first term square. By looking this expression, what will be our first term? What will be our first term? Nothing is 1. Okay, that is nothing but your ax. What I can write? First term square. Similarly, what is the second one? What is the magnitude? That is nothing but 2. And what is the direction? Ay. But I am interested here only the magnitude. It means second term square. Similarly, what is the third part? My magnitude is 3 and the direction is az. So I am here interested 3. Okay, now come to the point. A is equals to A you may take as a mod. If you are going to calculate the magnitude, we can represent that vector in the mod form. Okay. So mod of A is equals to root of first term square as it is. Second term square will be the 4. Third term square it will be 9. So what is going under root? That is nothing but 10 and this one 14. So it will become as 3 point. You can say if you are going to calculate with the help of the calci, you will get as root of 14 is nothing but 3.749. So this is my magnitude. That is nothing but A part. So what is the answer? I hope you have got this answer with the help of the calci. That is the root 14 is nothing but 3.749. Similarly, this is nothing but our the A part. That we have calculated magnitude. Go for the B part. That is nothing but what? Direction. B part. Direction. How we can calculate the direction? Direction we can calculate with the help of the unit vector. And that unit vector always represent with a small letter. Any small letter you can take to small letter. Now what is our vector? Vector is nothing but the A. A divided magnitude of A. A vector, because this A is nothing but the combination of magnitude as well as the direction. So A divided by mod of A. So here, what is my A? Just see here. What is my A? A will be ax plus 2ay plus 3az divided by. Already we have calculated mod of A. What is that mod of A? 3.749. Now with the help of calci, you can calculate 1 by 3.749 of A of x. Similarly, 2 divided by this one, 3.749. Which direction? AY. Similarly, last part, 3 divided by 3.749 AZ. So, what you will get with the help of calci? You will get as the answer 0.26 A of x, 0.53 A of y, and 0.80 AZ. So, what is this? This is nothing but the unit vector A. So, that you have calculated in the form of a direction. Okay. So, A part was the magnitude, B part was the direction by using the what we can say unit vector. I hope you have understood this numerical, and we will move towards the second numerical.
Assalamualaikum.
Professor Sumaira Ali going to conduct a lecture on electromagnetic field theory
बस
of
कुछ
third year.
नहीं, एक मेल कर दिए सर को, अब आगे जाके वो कर लेते, क्या बोलते हैं,